How you feeling? You're so handsome. I want to make love to you right here, right now. I really wish that you wouldn't. Now all you have to do is just get through a little bit more, okay? Then put you in bed, okay? Just smile and don't talk to anyone. Speech! Speech! Let's hear from the birthday girl, huh? Phipps! Don't you see? Everybody looking at me. The plan's working. I didn't even have to take off my top yet. Speech! Come on, Monica. Speech! Speech! I thank you for I thank you for coming. My family, my friends. Woo! Woo! I really like to say. You know what I really like to say? I'm drunk.